Not yet, he said. Beats me. I expected her an hour ago. Next. To get off one's chest. To get off one's chest. To express one's true feelings. This idiom is used when someone has long waited to express themselves. Ellen felt a lot better when she finally talked to her counselor and got the problem off her chest. Fide hasn't shared her concern about her marriage with her husband yet. I think that she should get it off her chest soon. To live it up. To live it up. To spend money freely. To live luxuriously. To live luxuriously. Kyle and Eric saved up money for 2 years so that they could travel to Europe and live it up. After receiving a large inheritance from a rich aunt,